The upcoming iPhone 17 Air is set to introduce a fresh design with a horizontal camera bar, reminiscent of the Google Pixel 9 Pro's unique camera bump. This redesign not only gives the device a modern look but also solves a common problem: no more annoying wobble when placed on flat surfaces. Leaked cases and dummy models confirm that the new camera bar protrudes by 9.5mm, making it quite thick compared to previous models. Despite the camera bump, the iPhone 17 Air will be the thinnest iPhone ever, measuring just 5.5mm thick. For comparison, it's slightly thicker than the M4 iPad Pro's 5.3mm, but dummy models clearly show a significant difference in slimness compared to the bulkier Pro models. The display size strikes a perfect balance at 6.6 inches, fitting comfortably between the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro and the larger 6.9-inch Pro Max. Initially, Apple planned for a 6.9-inch screen, but concerns over potential bending issues, similar to the infamous iPhone 6 Plus bend gate, led them to scale down to a more manageable size. Another thing people are wondering about is the battery. Even though there's talk about Apple using new silicon carbon battery tech to make it more efficient, a phone this slim might still have a smaller battery than thicker models. Despite its ultra-thin profile, the iPhone 17 Air will retain popular features like MagSafe and the Action button. Unlike some rumors suggesting the removal of these functions in slimmer models, Apple has managed to keep them intact without major compromises. Additionally, the entire iPhone 17 lineup, including the Air, will boast a 120Hz ProMotion display, providing smoother animations across the interface and dynamic island. Speaking of the camera, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a single 48-megapixel main camera. While it sacrifices the ultra-wide lens, it still offers 2x zoom by cropping from the high-resolution sensor. On the front, users can expect a significant upgrade with a new 24-megapixel selfie camera, which is made possible by the larger camera housing. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Apple's A19 chip paired with 8GB of RAM. This combination promises efficient performance, even during demanding tasks like 120Hz gaming, and supports Apple Intelligence for advanced AI-driven features. It will also debut a custom Apple Wi-Fi 7 chip, which enhances efficiency, improves battery life, and offers faster switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Priced around $900, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to replace the iPhone 16 Plus in Apple's lineup. Interestingly, Apple originally planned for this model to be the first portless iPhone, relying solely on MagSafe for charging. So, the big question is, would you rather have a phone that's super thin and light, or one that's a bit thicker but lasts longer and has more features? Apple's betting some people will love the Air's design, but we'll have to wait and see if the trade-offs are worth it. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the latest tech updates. See you in another video.